Drink your Gary with honor and pride, knowing fully well that you should not despise the days of your little beginnings. So I've come across a lot of people who said that drinking Gary is for poor people. Are you rubbish? So because I drink Gary, then you consider me to be poor? Like the rich people, they don't used to drink Gary. Who told you? So one of my friends who loved drinking Gary created a New Year resolution of not drinking Gary. Why? Because he felt so bad when people told him that drinking Gary is bad, and it means that he doesn't have anything else but Gary. I just decided to wait until he breaks because I already know where this is going to. Guess what? He broke. I just said, look, please get my point. If you decide not to drink Gary, it's fine. There's nothing wrong with that because it's entirely your choice. But making it look as if drinking Gary is for the less privileged doesn't make any bit of sense. These are little beginnings that we do not want to despise. And we can even carry it even when we progress in life. So to everyone that has the mindset about Gary being for the poor, please shut up. It's up to you.